Elevate your style game, mastering fashion expressions. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English expressions. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the trendy phrase, "up your style game." This expression is not just about fashion, it's about enhancing your presence and confidence. So, let's get stylish with our words and find out how you can use this phrase to spice up your English conversations. The phrase, "up your style game," combines two key concepts, style and game. Here, style refers to one's personal manner of dressing or presenting oneself. It's about your clothes, accessories, and overall appearance. On the other hand, game, in this context, doesn't relate to sports or video games. Instead, it's slang for one's level of skill or proficiency in a certain area. When we put these together, to up your game means to improve or enhance your skills or performance in any field. Therefore, up your style game is an encouragement or advice to improve one's fashion sense or to dress better. It's about taking your personal presentation to the next level. You might wonder, why focus on style? Style is a form of self-expression. It's how you tell the world who you are without saying a word. Up your style game isn't just about following the latest fashion trends. It's about finding what makes you feel confident and expressing that through your appearance. This phrase can be motivating, especially in contexts where making a good impression is important, such as job interviews, social events, or even in your daily life. Improving your style game can boost your confidence, make you feel good about yourself, and how you're perceived by others. You can use "up your style game" in a variety of ways. Here are a few examples. 1. As advice, if you want to stand out at the party, you might want to up your style game. 2. As a compliment, "Wow, you've really upped your style game." 3. As personal motivation, "I think it's time I upped my style game for the new year." This phrase is versatile and can be adapted to many situations, making it a great addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, "up your style game." Remember, improving your style game is about expressing your unique personality and feeling confident in your skin. So, don't be afraid to experiment with your look and find what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel inspired to elevate your style and your English expressions. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.